help of before starting the cutting on the machine, for fixing the gap between the job and the milling cutter with a feeler gauge or setting blocks. Fixtures of different types are made for milling, turning, grinding, welding, assembling, bending, etc. So almost for all operation fixtures are made. Construction features of fixture. Common type of fixtures used for the machining operation are milling fixture, turning fixture, grinding fixture, etc. These fixtures consist of a base plate, standard clamps and rotators, setting blocks and balancing weight. So some of the machining operations like milling, turning, grinding, the fixtures are designed. So the parts of the fixtures are mainly it is a base plate and a standard clamps and locators, setting blocks and balancing weight. Base plate. The base plate for a milling fixture is provided with the tenons at the bottom for proper location of the fixture with the machine table through T slots. Two or four hold down slots are provided in the base plate for rigid clamping of the fixture with the machine table. So base plate is the base of the fixture having a tenons tenons are suiting the slot on the drilling any machine, milling machine or drilling machine. So exactly the square block pieces are fixed at the bottom of the base plate. Standard clamps and locators. These are provided for clamping and locating the workpieces with the fixture as in the case of drill jigs. The clamps used in the fixtures are very rigid and steady. So the clamps are used for fixture since it is a heavy production tool which is used for heavy work and all. So the clamps are so rigidly provided in the fixture. The setting blocks. These are used to position the fixture and work relative to the cutter before machining. A feeler is introduced between the cutter and the setting faces of the block for correct positioning of the cutter with the fixture. So setting blocks means before starting the work, for maintaining the gap between the job and the cutter, the certain distance is maintained with the setting blocks or with the feeler gauge so that it is easy to measure the slot which the cutter will cut on the job. Balancing weight. This is used dynamically balancing the irregular workpieces fixed to the turning or cylindrical grinding, etc. In the case of a turning fixture, normally the base plate of the fixture is clamped to the face plate. So balancing weight is nothing but a counterweight is fixed at the opposite side of the weight. Since the job is uneven, awkwardly shaped job, so the weight will fall only one side. To share that weight equally on the face plate or a drill chuck anywhere, not drill chuck, face plate or a forge chuck, a